so here, so tonight I'm gonna do ribs, except for I'm gonna do them in a well, I'll just show you what it is, okay? So this is what I'm doing them in, okay? Just gonna make it really fast, really quick. So what I've done is I put some seasoning on it already. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, and there's 6 of them. So hi Jasmine, how you doing tonight? Like I said, there's 6 of them, and it looks like all 6 are gonna fit in here perfectly. So what it'll be is, and they're only gonna, the crazy thing is they only got to cook for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna close it. Oh, it smells so good already. So actually, I'm gonna put them in there for 6, and that's gonna make them. What's up, Megan? That's gonna make them a pink on the inside. You know, a pink on the inside. They are beef. They're not pork, so you don't have to worry about that. But it's gonna make them a pink on the inside and a brown on the outside. And then I'm also doing green beans and instant mashed potatoes. So I gotta find a can opener. I should have done this already, I know, guys. Don't cuss at me. It's just me acting like me again. I'm always forgetting things, you know this. Okay, so there's an old can opener. Wow. That's alright though. So I'm gonna open my green beans, can of green beans. Now what I usually do with green beans is I'll dump a whole can in. Okay. And then on the second can, I'll only dump the green beans in without the juice. And then I will add probably two tablespoons of butter. What do you miss me for, Megan? Thought you hated me. I'm way far away from you guys now. I don't live with Sarah no more. But here we go. So I emptied the second can out. So there's both our cans. Now what I'm going to do is I got to get the butter. So I guess you guys can come with me. I'm going to get the butter. I only work with stick butter now, because it's a lot easier to do than scooping out butter and everything, or scooping out butter. Well, we're going to do you like this. Okay, there we are. Hi Ashley. So we're on the front, we're going to turn up to medium heat, and like I said, actually I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of butter, just because there's 2 cans. So 3 tablespoons of butter. I don't know, I like my green beans with butter. It makes them taste better. Hi Sandra. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is, once my green beans are done cooking, I'm going to have to cook my mashed potatoes in there. But what I really want you guys to see is the fact that this, I think it's a pressure cooker really. But like I said, it's only going to take 5 minutes. You're exact. Ooh, Parmesan cheese. I got some of that. I don't know about the garlic sauce though. I'm going to do the Parmesan cheese, just because I know that's different. I like it. Thank you. So they're warming up. Oh wow, these ribs already smell good. So they're going to come out brown and then a light pink on the inside. This is the grill that I'm cooking it on. We got about 2 minutes left on the ribs, and then I'll cut them open and I will show you what they look like. They're supposed to be brown on the outside and pink on the inside. So hopefully, hi Grace, hopefully this will turn out right. You know me, I'm always trying something new, and he got this for Christmas, and I didn't really want to spend an hour cooking ribs like I have before. You know, usually I'll boil them, and then I'll bake them, and it just takes forever to do it like that. So we're doing it a little different this time, and if this works right, then I might do a lot more of my meals from this, maybe. I know it's been a while since I did the bake show, and I'm sorry about that. You know, got to get ingredients and things. But we ended up getting some ribs this week, so I decided, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do some ribs. And they smell phenomenal already. Now, I'm not barbecuing them or nothing. I'm just pressure cooking them, I do believe. Got to rinse off my plate to put them on. I'm not trying to make a whole lot of dishes to be done now. This cooker is supposed to be really easy to put in to wash, okay? He got it for Christmas, and this is the first time it's been used. I took it out of the box. I thought my sprays would come in today. I don't think they did, though. We're going to have to check the mail, just in case. Oh, they're done. I better go check real quick. Oh, we'll come back to that later on. We're going to go check our ribs, because I believe I can fly for, oh my goodness, that is very surprising. Look at them. Look at the ribs. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Now, I got to cut it up. I got to check it to make sure it's light pink on the inside, because I need it to be done. I'm not trying to make nobody sick. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull one of them out, put it on my plate, and I'm going to cut it open. Oh, no, they got to cook a little longer. They're still bloody. So we're going to put it on for another 5 minutes. So it'll be 10 minutes tops. I'm going to go over here and we're going to check on our green beans. Green beans, the butter should be melted now, I'm pretty sure. And if the butter's melted, then I'm going to add what Ashley told me to add. And we're going to go from there. So anyways, guys, the butter's not melted. I don't know why I thought it'd be melted. I'm trying to rush it, ain't I? But they are warm, so I'll just go ahead and mix in the butter, because it'll melt really quick, because it's pretty warm inside this pan. I still got to do, I'm doing instant mashed potatoes. I haven't asked them. I was thinking about doing maybe garlic, but I'll probably just do regular mashed potatoes, because I don't think they're into the seasonings like my girls would be, you know? Hi Julie, hi Debbie, how are you doing today? So anyways, there's that. So now comes a special ingredient. Don't tell nobody. So, we're done that. Now we'll mix them up, and we'll let them cook a little longer. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. I love it. Okay, so now I need to throw this away. I wish I had another pan to do. Well, let's see if we can do this in the microwave. No. Yes, we can. We need about 4 servings. There's 3 of us, so about 4 servings. So 4 servings will be a half cup servings, 1.5 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of margarine. I'll put the butter up, so give me a second. We're going to get a microwave dish. Maybe, maybe not. I don't, oh, there's one right there. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my pink cups. Pink measuring cups. We'll go with the 1/4. Oh, sorry guys. I'm dropping stuff. I'm being very, very clumsy today, and I don't know why. Okay. So now, we need 4 servings. We need 1 1/3. So 1 1/3 would be my 1/3 cup 4 times, right? Ain't that right? Ain't that how the measuring thing goes? I'm pretty sure it is. So 1, 2, I used to not do my mashed potatoes this way before. Okay. And then I need 1 1/3. Oh, wait a minute. That might be flakes. Well, it would be 1 and... Yes, that's right. Okay, 1 1/3 cup of water. So, another 4 things of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then what did it say? It said 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Either way, it's going to work out. So 2 tablespoons would be 1, 2. I love stick butter. It makes things so much easier. Okay. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to mix all this together. I should have left my butter out for a little while to kind of soften it up, and it might mix in a little easier, but I didn't. So what I'll do is, okay, and then I need a 1/2 cup of milk. 1 second. 1/4. So my meat's done. It dinged again, so we're going to check it again. I'm not worried about it cooking a little more. There's a 1/2 cup of milk. They smell so good. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. For some reason it's still flaky. I think I'm going to add a little bit more milk. I should have just done it by eye instead of using cups. Hi, Veronica. So I think that's about 3/4 cups of milk, which milk makes mashed potatoes fire. I thought my cousin would jump on here because she said that she was trying to learn how to do ribs. Now this is a different way of doing ribs, but that's okay. Okay, so our green beans are done, and I'm going to add a little bit more milk because I think I put a little bit too much mashed potatoes, flakes in there. There we go. Now it's starting to look good. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then how long do we put it in the microwave for? We put it in the microwave for 3 to 3.5 minutes. So I'm going to make sure it's all mixed up. Okay. Get it all, clean the sides off, get it all down there so it'll all cook. Okay, so then there's that. We'll go 3.5 minutes. Okay, we'll go 3 minutes. That's alright, I'm not worried about it. Okay, and then green beans are done basically. Now we're going to go over here and check on our meat again. So let me go ahead and grab this. They're getting there. Okay, hold on a second, guys. I know I'm messing things up putting you like that, but I gotta check. Ooh, nope. Go bigger. Oh my gosh, that's excellent. That's a good way to. Oh my goodness, you're way far away, Megan. What are you doing in Kokomo? You should look up Tina Ewing. She's an old friend of mine up there, and last I knew she was in Kokomo. She's pretty cool people. You see my girls yesterday, huh? That's awesome. Oh, you went to Jack's funeral? I was at work. I'm sorry I couldn't be there. I wish I could have been, though. He's going to be missed, you know. So I got my bath box in, and I'm waiting on my sprays to come in. And have you talked to your husband anymore about our my opportunity, Veronica? I've got, I think, 2 more ladies going to sign up with us come May. Debbie on here, she's already signed up with me. She's doing phenomenal. She's got a couple customers, and she's already talking to a couple people to get signed up too. Oh, I see. That's cool. You're away from that stuff now, though, I hope. How's the boys doing? Megan. I'm going to give this, we got about 3 minutes left on the ribs, and they should be done. We're going to check one more time just to make sure. Got about 54 seconds left on the potatoes. We're going to go over here and take a look at our green beans. Smell delicious. I just want to taste. You guys are going to see me taste it. Nice and hot. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ashley, for that little add-on. Yeah, he will be missed. But you know, he's not in any more pain. He's not going to be. I wish he would have stopped drinking years ago when they told him to. I really do. Maybe he'd be around a little bit longer. But it is what I'm in Indianapolis, Megan. Okay, potatoes are done. I'll be right back. Stir them up. I think I might have to add a little bit more milk or water, one of the two. I don't know. I'm going to taste them and see what they taste like. If they still taste flaky. Awesome. Great job. I'm proud of you. I really am. Yeah, we're missing something. I'm going to go ahead and add some more milk. I think I put too much flakes in with the water. Huh, Steven? Okay, that's good. And, oh, our meat's done. There we go. Now it's looking like mashed potatoes. Okay, so I'm going to check our meat again. Well, first off, I'm going to try these mashed potatoes one more time. Perfect. I can't bring my ass up there. I don't drive no more, Megan. I'm dealing with about 7 dry moss suspended right now, so I do not drive at all. At least until I start getting my monthly bonus for a car from the company. Because then I can, oh, looky there. Look, I will show you guys what she looks like. So, this is done. Pink in the middle, not bleeding no more. Brown on the outside. I thank you guys for showing up. I'm probably going to add a little bit more butter. You're good, if you want me to, we could probably work that out. I want to see the boys anyways. It's been forever. I know Hunter's hit me up a couple times, but I want to see his brother too, you know what I'm saying? It's been forever since I've seen you guys. But dinner's done, so I'm going to feed everybody. I appreciate everybody showing up. I love you guys, and I will see you next time I'm on here. Megan, hit me up. Maybe we can get the girls to play with the boys, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm so proud of you for being clean. Yeah, really? Tell them I miss them too. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now.